Mhm. Mhm. Is it good?
Good.
You like it?
Good.
What are you eating, Astrid? Astrid, what are you eating? What are you eating, Astrid? Yeah, don't eat the green part. Yuck. The juice part. Yum. Is it good? No, don't eat that part. Yuck. What are you eating, Astrid? What is that?
No juice in there.
No juice in there, yeah. Eat the juice part.
No.
Eat the juice part. This is the juice part. Eat it.
No food.
Eat that
No.
part.
No.
Lopo?
No apple.
Okay.